What the hell? I'm literally out of words. Hi everyone, welcome to another new video. And as you can see, I'm back in the woods again. It's been quite a long, but I'm back. I think you already know by now what you're gonna make today. Yes, it's gonna be a steak. And so first things first, I just need to find a place where we can cook. I think it's so spiky. I think I found a place where I can cook. And if I zoom in, you can see there's a place. Yeah, I'm gonna cook there. Just in the middle of the bush. So here we are. But the problem is, look at this. This place is dry as hell. And in the past couple of months, there have been a lot of wildfires here, man. Nah, this place is very dry. A bit scared, a bit nervous. But this is what excites me, So these are the things I have with me. This is my stove and the pan I bought for my sister. And yeah, here I've got salt, pepper, and a bit of rosemary, the dry ones that you can buy in the supermarket. This is extra virgin olive oil. I got a bit of garlic, 2-3 cloves here, 3. My spoon, a bit of seasoning. If I want, I can add it later. But my main seasoning would be these 3. And this is the T-bone steak that I was talking about. And this is the first time I'm gonna make T-bone. And this is smashed potato that I have for the side. Never made it like this before. I usually use the fresh potatoes, but I don't have much time for today. Very hungry, so let's start preparing. So first, let's season our meat. Done. Straight in here. Whoa. Generous amount of oil. Dun-dun-dun. And a bit of generous amount of oil. It's a good amount of oil. Done. This is a big steak. Literally half a kilo, and we will need a lot of seasoning for it. What the hell? Oh. My seasoning is done. I've seasoned the meat with salt and pepper and olive oil. And I'm going to let it rest for like 10-15 minutes. By the time I'll make the smashed potatoes, and maybe after that I'll see the steak. I don't know if you can see, my smashed potato is ready. Just need a bit of butter, salt and pepper. That's it. Just look at this color. Damn. I like my steak medium rare, but I don't know how this is gonna be. I don't mind any version of it today, you know. It's almost done. I'm doing the rest. The butter in there now. Let's see. A little bit of rosemary, just a little bit for seasoning. So, that's just over there. So finally, after a lot of struggles, I made my steak ready. It wasn't easy, you know. The way was falling. I couldn't probably shoot the video when I was flipping the steak because everything was just falling. My God. Saved myself from a big mess, I reckon. But look at this steak. Look at this color. Honestly, I like my steak medium. But I'll take anything today. For today, anything, because this is my first time cooking steak in the woods. Whew, I'm so hungry. Tape, it does look like a bit more than medium. I don't know. We will only know when we cut this. I'm gonna let it rest a little bit like this. Let all the juice come out of the steak, you see. My God, it looks so good. Oh, not bad. So I made it well done. A bit more than medium. Guys, my food is ready. I'm hungry as well, and now is the moment of truth. As you can see, it's a bit more than medium, almost close to well done. My goodness, this is good. Oh wow, this tastes so bloody good. Let's try this one. This looks like quite medium though. Oh damn. Oh, this tastes so good. Oh my God. Let's give it a try with the mash. Let's take the mash. Let's see. Oh, it's too good. This time with the mash. I'm literally out of words. Wow. I think that's too much for me. I can't finish it. I'm almost done and I'm full as well. I'm gonna pack up everything. I'm gonna go straight home. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm running low with the subscribers these days. Alright, it's time to go. Hasta la vista. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.